Hi, this is Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology. So, in this video, we are going to see about the remaining things about the CMM. So, in last video, we have discussed about the what is CMM, and then what is the main function of CMM, and then how we can get the data from the CAD system and CNC machine tools, and then what are the axes available in the CMM, and then what is probing, and then what are the components available CM, like probing, mechanical structures, the drive system, control unit, and digital computer system. Those things we have discussed. And then what are the types of available CM, like cantilever types, moving bridge, fixed bridge, and then horizontal arm, gantry type, column type, and then those things we have discussed. And then basically in this video, definitely how we can use the CMM is how it's going to working for the mechanical applications. Okay, so initially the screen you can have a like one which type CMS available. It has some probing part, and then it has some objects too. Okay, after placing the workpiece on the machine table, the probing used to measure different points, like mapping the XY Z coordinates. The probing operates either manually via operator or automatically to the control systems. Okay, these points, the points to uploaded to the computers or interfaces where they can be analyzed easily by the CAD software. Okay, and then when you compare the data to the our final output to the our CNC and the CAD model 2D diagrams, uh, people using will get the sensors and then other things too. Okay, other things. Okay, so the sensors and users will give us some digital outputs. By using the digital data, we can modify the some 2D dimensions. Okay, so working up the same. Okay, initially we have a five kind of status: setup, probing, data collections, analysis, and output. Okay, so initially setup, secure the workpiece on the table, and then we have to calibrate the CMM for the established reference coordinates. Okay, so initially we may be some taken about some dimensions in before for the before dimensions measurements. Okay, so we have to make this some calibration for the every month or whatever according to mission. It may vary. Okay, the probing it has some contact and non-contact type. It moves to the points of the workpiece like XYZ coordinates instead. And then by using the transducers, the data collection will be occur like a software constructs a digital model from the coordinates data and measure the futures like whole surfaces counterants. Okay, so these are the data it'll be measured, and then analysis. Compare the measured data to CAD models to the blueprint, calculate the dimension tolerant deviations. Okay, so generate the instruction reports, the 3D visualizations. Those things we have to consider for working the probing systems. Okay, so, what are the main things while using the many kind of CMM types? The most common types is the bridge type CMM is more basically high accuracy and then ideal for the small to medium parts. Example, inspection engine components. Cantilever type CMM. It is easy to use. It is easy to use and single arm easy access. Used for flat parts like a sheet metal. Okay, so bridge type which is used for to checking the engine components. Cantilever type is used for to measure the sheet metal types. Okay, other gantry type people used for to measure the large parts like aircraft wings and then car chasers. Other horizontal lamps CMM, people use the to measure the car bodies. In car bodies we have a different kind of holes and holes and rectangle squares also available. In portable CMM, people used for optical traps, to measure the all kind of tracking systems in on-site measurements. We can use the portable CMMs. Okay, so what are the difference between conventional metrology and then CMM? The in conventional systems, error may be occur easily, and then less repeatable data is available according to environmental conditions. Okay, the accuracy rate will be using the 25 microgram to 50 micrometer, but CMM flexible process and the reliable results. Okay, repeatable, highly accurate data too. Accuracy will be getting the 20 micrometer to 5 micrometer. People, you can see response. We can see its accuracy less repeatable in 25 micrometer to 50 micrometer, but here to 2 micrometer to 5 micrometer is same. Okay, So key application where we can use this kind of CMO in the quality control system, reverse engineering, so tool die making systems and industries. Those things on all those industries we can use it. Okay, in quality control, verify the part of dimension tolerances. In reverse engineering, create the digital models of physical parts. Tool and die makings for the ensure the precision on making the fixtures. In industries like aerospace, automotive, medical electronics. We have many kind of surface measurings available. Okay, so example inspection turbine blades for the dimensional accuracy. So although this is about the CMM, so we have discussed about the CMM working, and then what are the complications about the different type of the CMM, and how can we can use it. What are the difference between traditional metrology, I mean measurements, and then CM measurements. So these are about the CMM. The remaining things about the dry mouse machine system, those things we can see in our next video. Thank you.
Right, that actually